This is my 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I was having problems with the button and I'm about to replace it, which is a quick fix. The rubber was getting all loose and sticky and all that, so I had to remove it and put tape. But you could go to Amazon and get a replacement. The only difference is that it's not rubber, it's plastic. But this is a pretty quick fix. I'm gonna see if I could put the phone down and pull it so you guys can see how easy it is. Just gotta give it a good grip and just pull it. Pull it. You leave that rubber, you leave it in there, because this is what gives it the push button style. Locate it, as you see, goes to mute. So this piece right here, you take it out. Oops. This is the replacements. All you have to do is follow those three little clips, and they go to the one on, there's 6 of them, but there's 2 in the front. I'm sorry, there's 3 in the front and 3 in the back. Go for the ones that are 3 in the back. Line them up together and just push. And there you go. There you go. Job completed. Got no problem. Now less than 3 minutes. Let's put it like that. Oh, I hope this video was some quite helpful. And good luck.